people. So I've just come to site, going around with the builder today for quite a number of the ones on this side of the East Midlands. So I'm just checking out what's been going on. So just to give you an update on new build, we're now at the first floor. So the next bit is being done, all the garage has been bricked up at the side, and then we've got the scaffolding up here as well. So yeah, like it's huge. So this is going to be, so I'm standing pretty much at the back. So this is going to have a huge garden. That is going to be a 5-bed, 3-story. So it's going to have like a master 5th bedroom in the loft space, but obviously it's a bedroom, it's not really a loft. And its own like ensuite and everything. It's going to be all special. And then that massive baby there is the flip that we're doing, which is next door. So that one's going to sell for between 385, 395. This is going to sell for between 495 and 510. We've had it valued at the moment, which is really good. So yeah, they're going really well. There's been some challenges with these ones because of delays, development finance, things like that. You know, they're not always the most easiest to deal with, but equally, you know, we overcame them, we've sorted it out, builders are happy, they're cracking on. It shouldn't be long now. So we'll aim to have the flip on the market in the next 4 or 5 weeks, which at the moment we're doing some creative stuff with that because we want to give it time to sell. So we're refinancing that on a sales bridge to help us towards the new build costs and stuff like that. And the new build obviously has its development finance on as well, but all lots of creative strategies which we do with our broker to make the cost as low as possible, but obviously making sure that the builders get paid on time and stuff, because you know the last thing you want is their suppliers kicking off at them, then they kick off at you, and it doesn't help anybody. So yeah, going through these 2 sites, making my lists of things that need doing, making my list of things that need doing in each of them, and then I can do my sign-offs in the next few weeks on these, get the other one on the market. Well, this one, because what we aim to do is get the shell up for the new build as fast as possible. And actually we are toying with the plan at the moment that it could maybe, because I'm watching the market in this area and I've got some HMOs as well, and they rent like 6 weeks before they were even finished. They were fully let, really high rents. So we're potentially going to switch the new build into an 8-bedroom HMO, but we're going to get the shell up first and then potentially look at changing the planning. But if not, we're just going to sell both of them because they're amazing family homes, huge gardens and stuff. But yeah, but look, there's always an opportunity. Just keep your eyes out and see what you could find as well, because even when we're going around the existing ones that we're already doing, you know, you look in hindsight and think, wow. But then in this area, you know, housing is so limited. So how, you know, easily we would have maybe got the terraces through if we were to do that, a row of like 3-story terraces, I'm not sure. I've built the new build with reclaimed bricks, so they are, you know, really in keeping with what's already here. So they're like really old bricks, just like next door, because I want to make it look like, yeah, it's new, but it's been here forever kind of thing. So inside it'll have the mod cons and stuff, but you know, externally, you know, it's part of the environment that it's from, because it's old-fashioned Victorian terraces and stuff around here. So we've done the nice bay windows and things like that, nice big open French doors and lots of windows everywhere, because the rear has got the most beautiful view ever. I'll see you in a bit.